Off the coast, where the waters meet the sky. Perhentian Island, where dreams don't just fly. Golden sands under the feet so bare. With each step we find love in the air. Beautiful beaches where horizons blend. Coral gardens where colors never end. Sea turtles glide in water so clear. Among the sharks we conquer our fear. The windmill stands a sentinel in the breeze, guarding secrets of the deep blue seas. The floating mosque, a symbol of peace, where prayers and waves find their release. Perhentian, a paradise so true. With every sunrise, a breathtaking view. The sea creatures in their graceful motion, with which that we find love in the air. Perhentian, a paradise so true. With every sunrise, a breathtaking view. The sea creatures in their graceful motion whisper tales of the boundless ocean. In the tranquility of this island escape, we find a world where fantasies take shape. Under the moon, a silvered spectacle, Perhentian's charm unequivocally magical. Beneath the surface, a world unknown, with coral kingdoms splendidly grown. In waters so inviting, we dive to explore, discovering treasures of the ocean floor. Of the ocean floor. So here's to the island where dreams come alive. In Perhentian, our spirits thrive. With each wave that caresses the shore, we're reminded of wonders worth living for. Off the coast, where the waters meet the sky. Perhentian Island, where dreams don't just fly. Golden sands under the feet so bare. With each step we find love in the air. Beautiful beaches where horizons blend.